Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on how to add the updated field records of Salesforce into a spreadsheet in Google Sheets application automatically. So guys, if you're a Salesforce user, you already aware how important it is to keep the track of your updated records. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update a particular field in Salesforce and how you can add that particular data automatically in a row in Google Sheets application. So guys, if you have a large data to manage, manually adding the updated fields of Salesforce into Google Sheets can be really tedious and time consuming. So with the help of this automation, you can do it automatically and you can set up this automation by just few clicks without any coding. So let me show you how you can set up this automation. So guys, this is my Salesforce application and the use case here is that we have a collection of leads inside Salesforce application and we are managing these leads. So as and when I'm going to change the rating of the lead as hot, I want to add the details of hot leads only inside my spreadsheet here in Google Sheets application. Okay. And for this to happen, we are using Pabbly Connect application. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And this is an integration and automation tool. And I'm going to paste the link of this landing page in the description. And from here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automation. So you can just sign up right now. And after that, you have to sign in and select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. So this is the dashboard and from here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up any automation. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Salesforce updated records to Google Sheets. All right. So after giving these kind of names, you just have to click on create button and your workflow page will load up like this. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So guys, with the help of these two things, you can set up any automation. So guys, trigger is that event which starts a workflow and the action is an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So in our use case, we want that whenever we update any record in Salesforce, this workflow should trigger and send the updated record to Google Sheets. Okay. So for this, we just have to select Salesforce application here in the trigger step, search for Salesforce, select it. Then you have to select the trigger event as updated field on record. Select this. Then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Salesforce and it will bring you to this page. From here, you have to provide access to your Salesforce account. So just click on allow here and Pabbly Connect will have the access and it will be connected. You can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. Okay. And here it is asking the object in which you want to update any record. So I'm going to select the object as leads. Here is lead option. And then it will ask in which field you are updating the data. So I am updating the rating of the lead. So you have to find rating option here like this. Okay. Then it is asking a field updated to. That means which thing you are updating. So here I am changing the rating of the field as hot. Okay. Let me show you by clicking add it. Here you can see in this rating section, we have these ratings, warm lead, cold lead or hot leads. So as I'm going to change the rating of the lead from warm or cold to hot, then this workflow should trigger. So here in this field, you have to put that word on which the workflow should trigger. So I am going to put a comma here, then put HOT, then close this with another comma. Okay. So you can read in the instructions, you have to provide the value within single quotes. If you are typing any string for integers, you have to use this example. For multiple pick list, you have to put the data like this. For Boolean, you have to put true or false. For date time, you have to use this format. So you can read the instructions according to your need. All right. Now let us change the rating of any existing leads we have. So I'm going to open my leads section. These are my leads. So here is my lead, yes, user demo. I'm going to open it. Okay, so this is the lead named as demo user, and here you can see I'm going to click on edit, and here there is no rating as of now, so I'm going to rate this lead as hot lead. So I'm going to click on hot. Now I'm going to save this lead. So I have updated a record here. That is the rating of the lead. Now let me click on save and send test request here, and you will see the details of this particular record that I've just updated will be captured here in this response section. Here in this response, you can see we have got this data. So it is showing the rating as hot, the status is open, not contacted, and when you scroll down, you can see the name demo user, the mobile number, everything, and every other detail is also captured here, like the email address and the creation date and the company, the clean status, everything is fetched here. Now I want to send this particular lead into my spreadsheet here, which is this. So the name of this sheet is hot leads, okay, and I am saving these details of hot leads, name, email, status, and the rating. So to bring the data here now, you just have to use this action step, and in this action step, search for Google Sheets application. Okay, then select the action event as add new row, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. And from this window, you have to select that Google account by which you have created that spreadsheet. Select the account. Now you have to provide additional access to your Google account. So just click on continue from here. And you can see the authorization is successful. And we are now connected. And here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So from here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets you have. Select the relevant spreadsheet name. So my spreadsheet name is hot leads. I have selected it. Then it will ask for the sheet names. So you can select a sheet name here. Right now, I have only one sheet named as sheet 1. So it got automatically populated. Now it is asking, now it is showing these fields, the name, email, status, and the rating. So these are the headers I have inside this sheet. So to get this data here, we need to map the values of these headers here only in this workflow. And I'm going to map the data of these headers from the triggers tab. Here we have the details of our lead. So I'm going to map the data here. So to map the data, you just have to click here on this name field, and the previous step will appear in the drop down, the Salesforce trigger. And when you click on it, you will find the data here only. So from here, you can map the name label in which you have the name of the lead, and you just have to click on it to map it. So let me show you the name label. This is the name label, map it. Similarly, you will find the email label. You can search for it here. This is the email, map it. Status, you can find the status here. Here is status, map it. And here you will find the ratings as well. Here is the rating, map it. Okay. Now you can check your connection with your spreadsheet by clicking on save and send test request button, and this data will be added here in a new row automatically. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request. And this is the response we have received. Let us see our spreadsheet now. Here you can see, guys, we got a new row added with this data name demo user, rating is hot, not contacted is the status, and this is the email. These are the same things I have mapped here. Okay, so you have to map this data and set up this automation only once. So guys, in real time, whenever after setting up this automation, now whenever you are going to update any lead and change the status of the rating to hot, this workflow is going to trigger and add the data of that lead automatically into your spreadsheet like this. Okay, and this workflow is going to run in the background. You do not even have to open it, right? So you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.